Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to connect Google Search Console with your WordPress website. As you can see, I am into the WordPress admin dashboard as of now. In the left side toolbar we have an option of plugin, and when we move our cursor on plugin, then automatically a submenu appears in front of us having an option of add plugin. You just need to click on add plugin, and here you need to search Google Sitekit. Google Sitekit is a plugin, right? If in case you don't remember the name, then you can simply search for Google Search Console as well, right? So I have searched for Google Sitekit or Google Search Console, and as you can see, the plugin is over here, Sitekit by Google, and it will connect the analytics, Google Analytics, as well as Google Search Console, Google AdSense, and Google Speed, right? And it is having 5 million active installations, right? We just need to click on install now and then activate this plugin. Okay, the plugin has been installed and we are clicking on activate. Okay, now you can either click on Google Sitekit option displaying in the left side toolbar of dashboard, or you can simply click on start setup, this particular banner, right? So I have clicked on left side toolbar Google Sitekit option, and here it is asking me whether I want to connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. No, I just want to connect the Google Search Console. So I have checked this in, sign in with Google, and here it is asking me to sign in my Gmail account. So I have simply signed in. Now clicking on continue. Again it is asking me for the permission to connect the Sitekit with my website. So I have clicked on continue, and it is showing that you are already verified. Google detected that you are a verified owner, right? Clicked on next. Turn on metrics in your dashboard, allow. Set up Search Console, click on setup, go to my dashboard. So in this way you can simply connect your WordPress website with Google Search Console. So it is super easy, right? As you can see, my website has been connected with Google Search Console. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Google Search Console in detail, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit our blog, read articles related to Google Search Console, and if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I've added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.